Yeah. Scoop some more. Mama, help you scoop. Scoop some more. Yeah, scoop. Good job. Making a mess, but good job. Oh,你们吃，妈妈喂你。啊，哟，鼻子上的都是。啊。Yummy. Yellow. 快吃。Ryan's 13 months old. Yeah. 快吃。快吃。Scoop. Scoop. Yeah, good job. Good job. It's June 29th. Ryan's practicing eating with his spoon. Right? A big mess, but he's doing pretty good. Yeah? You doing pretty good? Yeah. You finish eating your food. There's some more left. Good job. Scoop it this way. Flip your spoon. Okay, scoop. Scoop. Here's your spoon. You're finished. Be some more. Got it in your nose. Got it in your nose. Still have some more left, Ryan. Finish up your food. Okay. Okay, some more. Scoop, scoop. Hold on to your spoon. 拿好勺子，拿好。Yeah. 盛一下 Make a scoop food. Okay, you do yourself. Do it yourself. And me? Okay, scoop some more, Ryan. Yeah. Fish is eating too. Okay, are you finished? Are you all done? Are you finished? No? Okay, then eat some more. Come on. Eat some more. Yeah. Are you all done? You want more of this one? Okay, then eat it. Scoop. You finish? Okay, Mama, are you done? Okay, Mama. Okay, all done? All done? Okay, all done? Okay, all done. All done. Mama, clean up. Okay? All done? Can you show me what's all done, Ryan? All done? All done? Can you do your hands? All done? Can you do your hands all done? Show Mama what's all done. Okay, give Mama the spoon. Are you all done? Give Mama the spoon. All done? All done? What's all done? Thank you. Good job. All done. Okay.